Hello everyone, and welcome to day 3 of our meditation journey. Today, we'll gently relax the entire body with a simple body scan meditation. Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down. Allow your body to feel supported. Softly close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and gently breathe out. Again, inhale calm, exhale tension. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Simply notice how it feels. Relax your forehead, soften your eyes, unclench your jaw. Let your neck and shoulders become loose and heavy. Allow all stress to melt away. Now notice your arms, your hands, your fingers. Relax every muscle. Bring your awareness to your chest. Feel your breath moving naturally. Now relax your stomach. With every exhale, let go of any tension. Feel your hips and lower back becoming lighter. Allow yourself to sink into comfort. Bring your attention to your thighs, your knees, your calves, completely relaxed. Now notice your ankles, your feet, and all the way to your toes. Your whole body is calm. Your whole body is peaceful. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out. Feel yourself becoming lighter with every breath. Silently repeat, I am calm. I am safe. I am relaxed. I am present. Take one final deep breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining day 3. I'll see you in day 4.